The last piece here are the quadrant angles, angles that land on a quadrant. And so we're going to go back to the definition. Remember that the cosine is x over r, the sine is y over r, and the tangent is y over x. So we're going to use those values to help us here. If we know that this angle here is x, or a point on that angle is x up 0, then what would be the sine? The sine would be y over r. Y is 0. It doesn't matter what r is. The sine is 0. 0 over r equals 0. The cosine is x over r, which in this case is the same thing. X and the radius are both 1, or whatever it reduces to will be 1. And the tangent is y, which was 0, over x, which is we don't know, but it reduces to 0. Now, if we do a quarter rotation, we are now at the point over 0 up whatever y is. So now y, the sine is y over r, which in this case, these are the same, which would reduce to 1. The cosine, x over r, x is 0, will reduce to 0. And the tangent, which is y over x, y is 1 or 2 or 10, and x is 0. Oh my God, we just divided by 0. Ah! So this is undefined. Okay, and then here we go. Keep going. Here we do it. All right, so the sine here, sine is y over r, 0 over r, which is going to be 0. The cosine is negative x over r. Whatever r is, remember it's the same because it's one segment, so that's going to be negative 1. And the tangent is going to be y, which is 0, over x, which is negative x, whatever that is, still 0. Our last quadrant angle, sine will be negative y over r, which is, right, y. So that will be negative 1. The cosine will be 0 over r, x over r, which will be 0. And the tangent will be negative y over x, which will be, since x is 0, oh my God, we divided by 0, ah! Undefined. Okay, hope that makes sense. Love you guys.